Alright, tube tester is set up, and I did go ahead and order a replacement tube. Supposedly new old stock. Let's go ahead and get it opened up here. There it is. Well, 50B5, and the box has seen better days, obviously. So we'll get that out of here. So an original GE with a sand-blasted number on it, 50B5. Probably had 50 of these in my garage till I cleaned it out a few years ago. Okay, so looking up here at the sheet once again, 50B5 is heater 50, sensitivity 38, socket number 2. So we'll get this positioned back where you can see it. So sensitivity, heater 50, there we are, sensitivity 38, and socket number 2. Oh yeah, sure enough. There it is, 50B5. I remember that from the last time. Let's see, get this thing centered up for you guys. Power is on. Yeah, we sold a bunch of GE tubes when I worked at the TV shop here in town. Are we at 38? Yeah, pretty doggone close. Shorts. Looking at that light right there. Nothing. Grid emission. Nope. Test 1. Oh, this thing's even worse than the original one was. Unbelievable. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's even worse than the original one was. The original one was like 25 to 30. This one's like 15. Wow. Well, maybe that's normal. I don't see any signs of wear on this thing. All the paint is basically in pristine condition on this tube. Sandblasted numbers are perfectly clean, and I don't see any staining. The getter, which is up here on the top of the tube, is perfectly silver. Let me go ahead and zoom in on this guy. Well, looking down inside this thing, the heater cathode is perfectly clean. All the writing's good on it. Once again, the getter up here is perfectly shiny. A little dust on the tube, but that's it. It looks like a brand new tube, but it does not test like a brand new tube does. I can get this warrantied out through GE, made in the USA. Well, shoot. Definitely does not test good, according to my tube tester at least. It tests worse than the original one did. I was really hoping that we'd get something that was like up in the 70, 80, 90 range up here on the meter. Try it one more time. Wiggling the contacts this time. So the filament is still cold, and you can see that it has no test, and the filament is warming up. I don't think it's a bad connection. I mean, the socket fits very, very tightly on this one, and it tests 15 basically. Make sure the sensitivity control, I believe that's capacitive coupling that's causing the needle to deflect like that. You know, I put it up at 50. Yeah, let's make sure that's clean. Rock it back and forth a bunch of times. We'll just set it at 50 for the heck of it. And we're still at 20. Yeah. That's what we got. That's what we got. Doggone it. Alright, so I had this thing warming up for about 5 minutes now. And you can actually see the filament is lit. I can feel the heat just as I come close to the tube. So I thought I'd go ahead and give it the test once again. Oh, it's like the same thing. Come on. I don't think I got a dirty switch. Yeah, it's testing the same way. Doggone it. Well, I guess I blow another 10 bucks on another tube from a different supplier and see if it tests any better. All right, well, that's it. Part 2 of the Phono Oscillator. Didn't seem to get a good tube out of this one. Maybe next time. Doggone it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever it may be. Have a great day. Bye-bye.